We're going to work on making a graph using Google Spreadsheets. Um, in the Google Classroom, there's a link to a spreadsheet that looks like this. This is for period 3, and then there's another one for period 6 and another one for period 8. So if you look up across the top, there's a column for group members, so I'll type my name there. And then there's the different lengths of the pendulums going all the way to 90, and then if you drag this little bar here, you can get to 120 all the way up to 200. Okay, and then you can scroll back over here. You can also scroll down on this side, or just do the 2-finger scroll. Notice that this is column A, B, C, D, and then we've got row 1, 2, 3 all the way down this side. A lot of times the mistake that kids make is that they unknowingly scroll, and then look, I'm on row 93, but then people are like, oh my gosh, where did everything go? Well, it's right there. All right, so then all you have to do is just click on the different cells, just like I'm doing here, and then type in the number of swings that you got for those trials. So for 13, let's say I got 21, 15 I got 20, 17, 19, 18, 20, 17, and I'm kind of making these numbers up. I know these are pretty close to what it actually is. Oops, that one's not right. And I just go across and type in my results. Okay, 70, 27, 200. Okay. And just type those in, and then all the other groups in class will type their group member names here, and then the results in this column here. Okay. The last thing I want you to do, and this will help us out later, you're going to click this little down here in the lower left, you're going to click this little plus, and it gives you a new blank sheet, and this one's going to be for you and your group. So this one, right now it's called sheet 2, which isn't very helpful for us. So we're going to double click on where it says sheet 2. I'll show you that again. This was sheet 1 with all our data. Sheet 2, and I'll double click on it so it highlights it, and then I want to change this to, I'll call it Mr. Doyle. You would name it with you and your group member's name. All right, and you and your partner will work on this together, so you don't need to both do this, but just work together. And again, you click the plus. Here's sheet 3, so I'll double click where it says sheet 3. And then if this was, Billy and Bobby, we would write Billy and Bobby. All right. And that's all you have to do for now, and we'll get some more instruction on how to make a graph.